Guess what we have today?
Birdies.
Birds. Polly kisses Molly, but Molly doesn't kiss back. This one's the yellow one.
No duh.
This one's the blue one. The blue one is Molly, and the yellow one.
The red one's Polly.
Not the red one, the yellow one. The yellow one is Polly.
We're so good at making videos.
Gianna has Polly, and I have Molly.
This is Polly.
The red one.
Little bunny. You're just in the background like, ooh, he's shaking your butt. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Ooh.
They like kissing. So, PDA!
I want to pet my bird. Okay then. Touch. He doesn't care.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Put your butt in my face, yeah. Well, this is exciting.
It is. On. Go. No.
So, that's Polly, the red one. Get up in that camera.
You're facing the wrong way, you know that, right?
PDA. So much PDA. What's it up, PDA?
I got 2 of them!
Hi, Molly. I'm just waiting for one of them to poop on us.
I know!
Hey, guys. It's like right in my ears, like tweet.
Tweet!
Twitter.
Twitter. Yeah, we're tweeting right now.
I'm just like going to the back. Presenting birds.
Awesome.
No. Don't poop on me. Don't poop on me. Watching you.
Pet. No. Wrong angle. Fail. You're supposed to go.
In here we have a parakeet. Oh. It's like suddenly. Wait. Suddenly. Done. Da 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 da. Had to.
No. Okay.
He's stuck. Why are you stuck?
Why are you stuck? He's stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay. Came back.
Bring me the bird.
Bring me the horizon. Really want the bird more.
Done. Da 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 da. That butt.
There we go. I got it.
Oh wait, what if you set them right in front of the camera? Oh my god. Oh, the kisses.
The kisses.
The kisses. Camera can't even see anymore. Did they poop on me?
No.
It's like, hi guys. That eye. It's like, hello world.
Okay.
Oh.
Ah! You dropped it head first. You can't fly.
Aspenyan!
I was like, oh my god, what's going on? Let me see. I'm Laura, and I'm Gianna. And
Gianna! Whoa!
just kidding. Whoa. They're birdies.
Don't worry, guys, they're married.
They're married. They have rings on their feet.
Suddenly, Laura.
Okay.
Oh, wait. What do you think? Do you think they can go on my glasses? Oh, wait. They poop on my eye.
It's a great idea.
That's a great idea, Laura. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, my. Hey, guys.
It's on your head.
Don't poop on me.
Oh my god.
This feels so tickly. Oh, my God.
Oh my god.
No. Hey, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lazy Laura.
And these are the birds. Oops.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Don't poke me. Can you get them all before they poop?
Okay. Here.
Oh my god, did they poop? Did they poop? Did they poop? Is there poop on my head?
No, there's not poop on your head. There's no.
Gianna's turn.
No!
Yeah.
Almost 8 minutes. Can you calm down over there?
We're filming! I just totally yelled at the bird's ear.
Great pet owners.
Yeah.
No. Two stows.
We're just here like, whoa, oh my god. These are not toys. These are live, living things.
No duck. Num num num.
Aw. They're so cute.
Aw, he's biting his face
Relationship goals. Relationship.
Okay, I think we're done here.
Bye.
Bye.